Welcome to your destination. If you installed your Zoiko Orbit travel eSIM before your trip, here are a few quick steps to get connected. First, turn airplane mode off on your phone. Your device will begin searching for a local network. Next, open Settings. Tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Make sure Zoiko Orbit is selected as your cellular data line. Turn data roaming on for the Zoiko Orbit line. This allows your travel eSIM to connect to local partner networks in your destination country. Within a few moments, your phone should connect to a local network. Once connected, you can start using maps, messaging, and your favorite apps. If your phone does not connect right away, restart your device. This refreshes the network and usually resolves connection issues. You are now connected with Zoiko Orbit. Enjoy fast and reliable data wherever your journey takes you. Zoiko Orbit. Stay connected worldwide.